Today in this video, I am going to share a very simple DIY to prepare your own glowing skin serum with Kojic acid. This serum is a miracle product that reduces hyperpigmentation, prevents breakouts and delivers results in just few weeks of time. Kojic acid used in this serum is a staple ingredient that is being used in almost every skincare product that promises glowing skin. Before starting with our DIY, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the small notification bell. To prepare this serum, you will need hyaluronic acid, glycerin, niacinamide, Witzh Hazel, rose water, Kojic acid and aloe vera juice. To prepare this serum, first take a clean dry bowl. In this, I am taking 1/4 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder. To melt it, I will add half a teaspoon of glycerin in this. Mix it well. And next, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of niacinamide powder in this. This is also known as vitamin B3 powder. Mix it again. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of Witzh Hazel and 1 teaspoon of rose water in this mixture. Mix it well again, and now we are going to add our skin whitening ingredient in this serum, that is Kojic acid powder. But make sure that quantity will be very small. I am just adding 1/8 teaspoon of this Kojic acid powder. Mix it well, and now finally, to get serum-like consistency, we are going to add our base, that is fresh aloe vera juice. First, I will add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. Mix it, and if you feel that consistency is too thick, then you can add 1 more teaspoon of aloe vera juice in this. Mix all the things very well, and your skin whitening serum is ready. Now, as your own skin whitening Kojic acid face serum is ready, you can store this serum in a clean glass bottle. Make sure you keep this serum away from direct sunlight. You can use this serum daily 2 times in a day after applying toner or your face, and make sure you don't forget to apply your regular face moisturizer after using this serum.
Skin whitening formula that really works. Use Glow Pink Skin Whitening and Brightening Gel, which has advanced natural formula to lighten skin complexion. It reduces pigmentation and brightens your skin tone. It boosts collagen, balances natural skin oils, and restores skin glow and luster. It also helps in reducing acne, breakouts, and repair the sun damage. A perfect blend of natural skin lightening ingredients like aloe vera, papaya extract, and saffron oil. Suitable for all skin type and brings out the best version of you. Glow Pink Skin Whitening Cream is now available on Amazon. Check out now.